everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to swap two numbers without using the third variable. What is swapping? Swapping is exchanging the values of two numbers. Suppose A में 20 है and B में 30 है. So swapping is A की value में B का value आ जाना चाहिए. That is 30 should come in A and B में A का value आ जाना चाहिए. That is 10. Or 20, whatever the value initially which was taken should get exchanged. Now first of all, to start with the program, you must include a header file in C++, that is IOStream header file. After that, you will be using the namespace std, and then you will start with your main function. The execution of the program always starts with the main function. Now we need to swap two numbers. So हम लोग user से input मांगेंगे that they should enter two numbers. For that we'll write a statement that will get printed on the screen using the cout. Now it will print enter two integers. Okay, screen में ये आया message. After that the user will enter the value, that is num1 and num2. Suppose user has entered 2 and 3. So 2 will be stored in num1 and 3 will be stored in num2. Okay, so cout before swapping. So this is what it will show on the screen before swapping. Cout num1 is equals to num1. It will show a message as num1 is equals to, what was the value of num1? We have taken 2. And num2 is equals to num2. Here it will display the message num2 is equals to, here it will show the value of num2. So it will show 3. Now this is the major part where we will swap two numbers without using a third variable. So num1 is equals to num1 plus num2. So according to this, what will happen is num1 is equals to num1 plus num2. What is num1? 2. What is num2? 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 will get stored in num1. Then num2 is equals to num1 minus num2. Now num1 value is 5. So in the second step, what will happen is num2 will be num1, that is 5 minus num2. What is num2? 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, in the last statement num1 is equals to, so we will have to write num1, it will be equal to what? Num1 minus num2. What is num1 right now? 5. 5 minus num2 is 2. So it will become 3. So now you have seen that we have swapped the numbers, because see, initially we had 2 in num1 and right now we have 3 in num1. Then we had 3 in num2 initially, but right now we have 2 in num2. So the final output will be, after swapping, num1 is equals to 3 and num2 is equals to 2. So how simple it is to swap two numbers without using a third variable. You just need to know this particular logic to swap two numbers. I hope it is clear, and I'll show you the practical implementation of this program. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to swap two numbers without using a third variable. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको थियोरेटिकली बताया है, अब मैं आपको इसका प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाती हूँ, क्योंकि हम ये प्रोग्राम C++ में कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट हम लोग हेडर फाइल इंक्लूड करेंगे. हेडर फाइल इज IOStream. ये हमारे इनपुट आउटपुट स्टेटमेंट्स को सपोर्ट करता है. आफ्टर दैट वील इंक्लूड अ नेम स्पेस. सो यूजिंग नेम स्पेस std. Okay, we'll start with the main function. अब इसके अंदर क्योंकि हमें 2 नंबर्स को स्वैप करना है तो वील डिक्लेयर 2 वेरिएबल्स int num1 num2, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग यूज़र से वेरिएबल्स इनपुट करवाएंगे, इसीलिए we will display a message on the screen and we'll say enter 2 integers. The user will enter values for num1 and num2. जो भी वैल्यू वो एंटर करेंगे they will get stored in num1 and num2 respectively. After that we will display on the screen the numbers before swapping and the numbers after swapping. Okay, so we'll display before swapping num1 was equal to the value of num1, whatever the value is entered by the user, and num2 will be equal to again the value of num2, that is the value which is going to be entered by the user. We end the line, move on to the next line. After that we will write the code to swap the numbers. So we are not going to use any third variable here, so the logic to swap the numbers is num1 will be equal to, we'll add the 2 numbers first, num1 प्लस num2. इसके बाद हम लोग num2 के अंदर एक वैल्यू स्टोर करेंगे जिसमें num1 माइनस num2 करेंगे. इसका ड्राई रन करके मैंने आपको दिखाया है अभी. एंड num1 विल बी इक्वल टू num1 माइनस num2. Now we'll display after swapping the values of num1 and num2 is. Basically we are exchanging the values, so we write after swapping cout num1 is equal to the value that is currently stored in num1 and the value for num2 will be the value after swapping. Okay, so we return 0. So basically we are swapping numbers that were stored in num1 and num2 initially. So now we'll run and see the program. See, we are asked to enter 2 integers here. Suppose we have entered, let's say 20 and say 50. So 20 will be stored in num1 and 50 will be stored in num2. So we can see the output here. See, before swapping, num1 was stored in 20. 20 is stored in num1 and 50 is stored in num2. You can see the values, but after swapping what happened is that we have exchanged the values. Okay, see what happened. Now you can see the output on the screen. We have entered 2 integers 20 and 50. So before swapping the value of num1 is 20 and num2 is 50, but after swapping num1 value is equals to 50 and num2 value is equals to 20. So you can see how easy it was to exchange the 2 values. I hope it is clear. We'll continue in our next lecture.